Hi everyone, welcome to Missangela's classroom. I am Missangela and we are here for Tuesday mini class. Welcome everyone. Guys, do you know that Halloween is only 2 weeks away? Yes, after about 2 weeks from today, it's going to be Halloween. Are you excited about Halloween? Yeah, Halloween is a fun day because you can go trick-or-treating, right? All right, so because Halloween is coming, on my weekend, I made my Halloween decoration. What kind of Halloween decoration have you made before, guys? I know some children like to make jack-o'-lantern. Some children like to make ghost. Some children like to make black cat. There are many different Halloween decorations that we can make. But for this Halloween, I made this. This is wall hanging decoration. So do you see a little loop here? Do you see a little loop? Yeah, I made a little loop so I can hang this on the wall. On the wall or wherever there is a hook or a nail, I can hang this up. So I'm thinking making a bigger loop and then hanging on my doorknob. How is this one? This is very easy to make it. So guys, I'm sure that you can make this all by yourself from the beginning to the end. Look, I used the paper plate and I color the paper plate with the Halloween color, which is orange here. And then I cut out some Halloween images and then I put it, glued it here. And then I added a glitter glue on top. And then you can tape a little loop using a string. Very easy, right? So if you wanna try making this one at home, you can check the Everyday Funday blog post. I made a new blog post and I showed how to make this one in detail. So you can look at it and then you can make your own Halloween decoration. Okay, so I made two different versions, guys, actually. This is orange color version. This is my black color version. So I put these pictures on the blog as well. So you can get these and you can make two different versions like me, orange color or the black and purple version as well. Okay, so in today's mini class, I want to sing a Halloween song with you guys. And we're also gonna use this Halloween hanging decoration. Yes, so if you are watching this after making your Halloween decoration and you already have your decoration made, like me, you can use your Halloween decoration. Okay, so the song we're gonna sing is Old MacDonald Had a Haunted House. Yes, do you know the Old MacDonald had a farm? We know that song, right? So this is the Halloween version of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So during the song, we are gonna point it here. So you're gonna point the things that you hear from the song. All right. So let's try it with this orange color version Halloween decoration. All right. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-Boo. And in that house there was a ghost. E-I-E-I-Boo. With the boo-boo here, with the boo-boo there, here boo, there boo, everywhere boo-boo. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-Boo. And in that house there was a spider. E-I-E-I-Boo. With the creep, creep here, creep, creep there, here, creep, there, creep, everywhere, creep, creep. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-Boo. And in that house there was a ghost. Again. E-I-E-I-boo. With the boo-boo here, with the boo-boo there, here boo, there boo, everywhere boo-boo. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. And in that house there was a black cat. E-I-E-I-boo. With the meow meow here, meow meow there, here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. And in that house there was a jack-o'-lantern. E-I-E-I-boo. With the glow glow here, glow glow there, here glow, there glow, everywhere glow glow. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. Good job. Did you point things out? Yeah. Did you have a black cat? Did you have a ghost? Did you have a spider? And did you have a jack-o'-lantern? Great job. Okay, how about we try again with the black and purple color version. Here, the pictures are a little different. We have different things over here, right? So let's try with black and purple color version again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. And in that house there was a, what is this? Witch, E-I-E-I-boo. With the he here, he there, here, he there, he everywhere, he, Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. And in that house there was an owl, E-I-E-I-boo. With the hoot hoot here, hoot hoot there, here hoot there, hoot everywhere, hoot hoot. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. And in that house there was a jack-o'-lantern, E-I-E-I-boo. With the glow glow here, glow glow there, here glow, there glow, everywhere glow glow. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. And in that house there was a black mouse, E-I-E-I-boo. With the squick squick here, squick squick there, here squick, there squick, everywhere squick squick. Old MacDonald had a haunted house, E-I-E-I-boo. Good job. Great job. Was it fun, guys? Oh, I loved it. I loved finding things here. When I hear it from the song, it was fun to look for it over here in my decoration. Yeah, good job, guys. That's it for today. And I hope you can make your own Halloween decoration like this, or it's gonna be a little different from this one. You can use black color, but you can use a different color. You can use purple. You can use green, any color that you think is good for Halloween. You can use that color. And then you can choose to glue different pictures than mine. When you make your own Halloween decoration, you can play this video again and then sing this song again with your own decoration, pointing things on your decoration. All right. Okay, that's it for today. And I'm going to see you guys next Tuesday again. Next Tuesday, I'm going to come back with another Halloween activity. Okay. All right. Bye. See you next week.